Good morning student. Today we see about Darwinism or theory of natural selection. Charles Darwin 1809 to 1882, a great naturalist and philosopher of 18th century. He was born in England in 1809. He was studying in college. He got friendship with Professor J.S. Henslow. So he was fascinated towards nature. Fascinated is attracted. At that time, he got an opportunity which was a voyage of exploration for 5 years on a ship named HMS Beagle around South America. Voyage is traveling in the sea. During his 5 years voyage, he visited many parts of the world, a number of islands including the Galapagos Island and Pacific Island. During such occasion, Darwin made elaborate observation on nature of the land, plants and animals of the regions he visited. After a period of 20 years to develop the theory of natural selection, Darwin published his observations and conclusions under the name Origin of Species. It is a book in 1859. The book explained the fact of evolution and also elaborate on the theory of natural selection for evolutionary transformation. Principles of Darwinism: overproduction, struggle for existence, variations, survival of the fittest or natural selection, origin of species. Struggle for existence are of three types, that is intraspecific struggle, interspecific struggle, environmental struggle. Environmental struggle. You see Darwinism, theory of natural selection, Charles Darwin, born in England. Okay. The next, his friendship, fascinated towards the nature. Then voyage for 5 years. Then HMS Beagle around the South America. Okay. Dr. Henslow was asked to nominate a young naturalist for voyage. Darwin was given opportunity. Okay. A number of islands including Galapagos Island and Pacific Islands. He published a book, Origin of Species, in 1859. Okay, it elaborates theory of natural selection for evolutionary transformation. Next, now we see principles of Darwinism one by one. Overproduction. Living beings have the ability to reproduce more individuals and form their own progeny. Progeny is nothing but offspring. They have the capacity to multiply in geometrical manner. That means nothing but multiplication table, like that. 2 2s are 4. 2 organisms having 4 young ones are produced. 3 organisms from 6 young ones, like that. They are multiplying. Like that, the organisms multiplying. This will increase reproductive potential, leading to overproduction. This leads to what? The potential leading to overproduction. Next is struggle for existence. Due to overproduction, geometric ratio of increase in population occurs. The space to live and food available for the organism remains the same. This creates an intense competition among the organism for food and space. Space is nothing but that area where they live, that place is called space, leading to struggle. The struggle for existence are of three types. One is intraspecific struggle. Competition among the individuals of same species. That means same species is nothing but, for example, human being fight with a human being. Competition between human beings. Okay, that is called same species. The next is interspecific struggle. Competition between the organisms of different species living together. For example, we are fight with or competitor with other organisms like mammals like cow, goat, then sheep. These are all organisms present in the mammals. That organisms compete with their food for struggle. Okay, fighting. What is interspecific struggle? Nothing but the competition between different species, like that goat, cow, deer, like that the competition is occurring because of to eat food. The next is environmental struggle. Natural conditions like extreme heat, high heat or cold, drought, dryness, over dryness and flood can affect the existence of organism. Next, variations. The occurrence of variation is characteristic feature of all plants and animals. Small variations are important for evolution. Little bit small changes or variations taking place. It is very important for evolution. According to Darwin, favorable variation are useful to the organism and unfavorable variations are harmful or useless to the organism. If it is favorable, useful. If it is unfavorable, that is useless or harmful. The next is survival of the fittest or natural selection. During this struggle for existence, the organism which can overcome the challenging situation, survive and adapt to the surrounding environment. Organisms which are unable to face the challenges are unfit to survive and disappear. If it is not face, they are not survive. Automatically they can disappear. Okay. The process of selection of organisms with favorable variation is called natural selection. The next is origin of species. According to Darwin, new species originates by the gradual accumulation. Accumulation means collected. Accumulation means collecting of favorable variations. Accumulation of favorable variations for number of generation, over generation to generation. The new species will develop. Okay, understand student? Now we see flowchart the postulates the Darwin. First is overproduction, struggle for existence, variation. In this variation, organism eliminated from the environment. Suppose it is not fit for that environment, it is eliminated. Okay. Then this side natural selection, survival of fittest, inheritance of acquired characters, gradual accumulation of favorable characters. That means accumulate means collected. Then next is origin of new species. This is a process. Okay. Do you understand student? Okay, that's all. Thank you.